Hello, it's Mr. Barnett here. I'm going to give a quick overview on how to use Pearson Realize for those of you who need to learn how to use it or cannot remember how to log in and do what you need to do. So let's get started. You're going to go to pearsonrealize.com. Okay, this is what will come up. So it's pearsonrealize.com. Use Google Chrome. Do not use Internet Explorer. Google Chrome works much better. This also works on Safari on your cell phone if you have an iPhone. Click sign in. I went ahead and made a student account for myself. That way I could show you all what the student would see. So they're going to type in their username here, the password here. You can get that from your teacher. Click sign in. And here you're going to have three categories. You're going to have browse, classes, and grades. So I listed myself as an 8th grade student. So here would be, under browse would be my books. If you click browse, you're going to see this is an entire 8th grade textbook for math. Go back to Pearson here. Then you have classes. You're going to click on that. I added myself to my first and second period math. Again, here are my tools. So you have your textbook over here. Your assignment would show up here under assignments. So for example, I have an in progress one here, 8-4, solve problems using angle relationships. You click on that. It'll have the directions here, like read carefully. You have 5 days to complete the assignment. That part's pretty simple. Completed assignments will go here. So not started goes here. Stuff you've already clicked on, it's here. And then your last one's going to be grades. The grades will just show you, grades. So anything that grade will go here and tell you what you got on it, what your score was, stuff like that. So it's pretty simple. If you need any help, feel free to contact me, and hope you all have a good day. Thanks.